guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial. Yay! I can finally do some hair tutorial for you guys. After cutting my hair for a very long time, I couldn't do anything to it except wearing a wig, dyeing it, and doing some setting minor hair tutorial. But today I'm able to grip my hair and do something with it. So I'm going to be please watch this video to an end, first of all, and second, please I have an announcement in this video, so please try and watch the video all through. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly push the subscribe button down below, and also push the bell sign down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And if you're a subscriber coming back to my channel, I'm grateful. Thank you so much, so much for coming back. And I have an announcement, and I hope you watch the video all through and you see what my announcement is. So I'm going to let you guys watch this video. I was so excited, actually able to cornrow my own hair, guys. I couldn't wait. Like, I was dying to be able to like cornrow my hair and do some hairstyles with it. So I'm just going to stop talking from here on. Please watch this video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
guys, this is the complete look of my makeup. I went ahead and did just a very simple makeup, and also I'm currently wearing my own eyelash brand, and this is my eyelash brand. And if you're interested, please kindly go on my website to order one. Is www.ivyglam.com, and you can order other products that I sell on my website. I'm grateful that you watched this far, and I'm grateful that you have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't, please kindly push the subscribe button down below, and also please don't forget to press the bell button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, guys. I am grateful from every single one of you guys, just because I will be celebrating my 40,000 subscriber, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway very soon. When I hit 40,000, I will be announcing my giveaway and what my giveaway will going to be. So thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Before I go, I have a second channel that I set up a few months ago, and on that channel we are going to be talking about topics and things that you will be interested in, something different from this channel, because on this channel I mostly upload hair, makeup, DIYs. On the other channel I want to do something completely different, something that I can maybe relate to you guys with, maybe some topics that you guys are interested in, maybe some things that completely different from what I upload on this channel. So I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye now. Bye.